Making money with LinkedIn involves networking, offering services, and leveraging the platform for business opportunities. Here's how beginners can start earning. Offer freelance services. Optimize your LinkedIn profile with a professional headline, skills, and a portfolio. Offer services like writing, graphic design, consulting, or marketing via LinkedIn Services Marketplace. Connect with potential clients and pitch your services. Get a high-paying job or side gig. Use LinkedIn to find high-paying jobs or remote freelance gigs. Engage with recruiters by posting valuable content and networking. Apply for LinkedIn Premium for better job visibility. Affiliate marketing and lead generation. Promote affiliate products or services to your LinkedIn audience. Generate leads for businesses and earn commissions through referrals and partnerships. Sell digital products or online courses. Create and sell ebooks, guides, templates, or online courses. Use LinkedIn Learning or post valuable articles to establish authority. Start a LinkedIn newsletter or consulting service. Build an engaged audience by sharing insights and industry knowledge. Offer business coaching or LinkedIn profile optimization for clients.